want to share to you my experience about Chennai Hair Factory. I visited it. I saw it on Google. I had to talk with Mr. Shiva. He welcomed me there well. I came, he was hospitable. We arranged our prices, and I came today to collect my hair. And I'm very, very happy for Chennai and Mr. Shiva with all of his crew. I came to know about them on the website, on the internet. I visited them. I was welcomed with a lot of cordiality and hospitality. I booked my hair. I came to collect it today, and I'm extremely very happy. You can see I'm happy because it's nice, it's soft, it's really silky, it's true human hair. And the length, I like the length also. They have good measuring lengths. The lengths are okay, good from front to back, as you can see. And the hair is full. We start from behind. You see from behind, I have 3 kilograms from behind. You see its silky nature. It's full, and the lengths they are extremely good. They are nice. Even the texture and everything is good. Chennai hair is the best in India. Situated at South India is the best. It's the best. You can put your confidence in them, and you never be deceived. I, for one, I was never deceived.